Gio's right.
Hello.
I want to go to Gio.
Okay, go to Gio.
This is crazy. Is this open? What is this? Let's see this, Andre. What's the red pepper?
Look at your crib.
Welcome to my MTV crib. MTV cribs. Here's where the magic happens. Dude, it's actually spacious, bro. It is. Look at my window. Oh shit.
Oh, you got a charger right there. Where's your light?
And you have a fan here. Okay. Look, you have a fan here too. Oh my gosh. You see the whole Kyoto right here. Oh, turn it off. Look, I got lights. Boom. Oh, no, that's the fan. That's the fan. That's the fan. Oh, that's the fan. Oh yeah.
Where's
the light? Ooh. Bang. How is it? This
Like
is a
an
really...
MTV crib?
How's the washroom, Andre? Oh, just okay. This is perfect. I'm the closest to the washroom.
Oh my god.
I try.
I can go like.
Oh,
Oh my god. You got something to grip on, you know? You're like,
Wait, Tanya's already there. What is this? No, no. Whoa, Hunter.
Watch your head. Oh, there's a hair. Remove your chanelas.
she's wearing her chanelas.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Just
Oh shit.
Is it?
I think this is a top one.
Yo,
Oh.
I got a duffel bag. I got a duffel bag. I got a duffel bag.
No. Andre.
Oh my god.
Did you pull me there?
I did it.
Okay, then.
Was that?
Oh yeah, no.
Shit. Wait, how many cards are they?
Nice. That one's nice.
Wait.
Give me whatever.
You can have any other one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just doing a 360 at the right here.
You still win, huh?
Throw me another one.
You lost your privileges, Tanya.
Ooh, Pokeball. Ooh.
Ooh, a club sandwich.
Oh my god. Club sandwich.
A club sandwich.
Ooh.
If anyone wants. No, this one's not. There's nothing here.
Fucking horse. No way. Fucking horse. It's tough.
Yay.
Let's go. Chanel, look at it. What happened?
Top one.
Oh, that's like the hit.
The hit.
The hit.
Wait, let me see.
It's the evil. Is it not evil?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's the cat.
Oh my goodness.
It's a cat.
Meow.
He's with the
Meow.
that brother sister.
I need to get my binder. Oh my god.
You brought your binder?
I did bring my binder. Hold on. Oh my god.
Wait, Janela's good luck.
He pulled that one. He pulled that one.
Don't tell him I'm having bad luck right now, but I'm still opening it.
Ooh, we got another bag.
I think anything that's shiny or that looks different, I think that's banging.
That's a miss.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know what this is.
What is
It
it?
looks different.
Oh, that looks. Okay, just wait for him. Show the cam.
Yeah, I don't know if this is good or not.
Move back a bit.
Oh, sorry, I gotta.
You got a beauty guru.
Guys, what do you think? Is it good? Is it rare? Huh?
Did somebody pull forward into
Shit, this one.
These are the
Be
good
careful, you
pulls.
can't fold it.
I'm not folding.
Is there like a top Pokemon?
I don't know.
Best Pokemon of all time. Yeah.
You.
No, but like actually.
To him?
This is Meow.
Like
Oh.
actually.
Mew and Meow are
Is there
different.
any Pokemon?
No. There's no new post like there's so much debate over that. It's really arbitrary. I'm
Like,
gonna
is
go
there a
find mine.
strongest Pokemon?
I think I found Look at my binder in my suitcase.
Oh, the one from Tokyo?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Oh my.
What's that?
I'm done. These are the only two you want.
He might cry. He might cry. It's the same one. It's the same one.
God.
He's gonna cry.
Now I just need the Moltres and I'm actually done. I love Pokemon. Dude. Oh, I got another one. No, you didn't. This guy is.
Nothing.
I'm hogging.
Danny's joining.
I'm hogging it. I'm lying. Speechless, bro.
Care about the price, but
Oh wait, you put a rapid actually or two? Are they? Is
Bro.
it cool? It's really
Bro,
good.
look what I
You put a god. What did you get? Clefairy EX.
Yeah, this is a foreign language.
Dude, you pulled the Reshiram?
and the Giovanni's now.
What the hell?
This is a foreign language.
Danny, what does that mean?
Like the four words aren't the same. It's all the same. That's okay, I got my fucking Zamazan so cool. Or my It's so funny. This is like Pokemon Pocket, but it's real. Wait, no, I guess Pokemon Pocket.
That's okay.
Oh, you got a Roserade.
Just okay.
She's cute.
Just okay.
Oh, it's Cynthia's Roserade though. That's cute.
if you see any that you want, you can grab it. It's not in this pile.
Oh my god. I seen him in game.
I want the Mewtwo so bad.
If you see a black dragon with like pink on him,
You want that one?
yeah. And saying, so good. And then all the comments were like, what the fuck are you doing? Why is it red, pink like that? Why? It's so bright.
Let me see that again. Let me take a look at this.
Bro, it looks like, it looks disgusting.
Yeah, that shit looks.
Well, it probably tastes good.
Watch that shit be bomb.
Wait,
Just
this-
because Okonomiyaki looked like so good. And then eggplant and spicy. No way.
Who has big cucumber? You?
He's big cucumber.
What's the other one?
We got carrot.
Wow, you're disappointed,
That's why
eh?
I didn't want
No. Mine's red pepper. Red pepper. That one's red pepper.
Bell pepper.
Like bell pepper.
Oh.
There's the green pepper, there's the potato,
The one that
and
looks like a butt?
an onion.
Looks like a butt?
Meow 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 meow.
What are you thinking about me?
No.
Ah.
We got to Geo.
Burger King.
Yeah.
Yo, that looks bomb.
Oh, this is fucking.
Yeah, that looks like Katsu.
Oh, I look. You want katsu?
Should we just eat here?
Yeah.
Just everything here?
Oh, come on. The night is young.
Oh yeah, this is the place.
Yeah.
It's not on.
The night is young.
Night is young. Night is young.
White.
It's permanently young.
So like, oh my god, they have the Gugatsu.
I want this. I'm looking at this one.
So oh yeah, 6F. So this.
It gives
Everything's
prices
6F.
too. Look, it even shows like prices. That's
$26.
actually it shows. That's actually really good. It shows how much the
Is
advertising.
this omnibus?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Okay. Why don't we just hit all of them?
It's all
Yeah.
6F. It's all
Yeah,
everything's
it's
there.
all 6F.
Uh oh. Let's eat first. Let's eat first. Let's eat first. Let's eat first, and then you can see your camera. So.
Guys, like,
He doesn't eat meat. He buys clothes.
that's how we eat.
What? It says hobbies and toys.
Hi, Uniqlo. You don't have a sweater at all? I thought you packed a sweater.
Just a long sleeve. That's it. I was gonna. That's what I was asking.
Uniqlo jacket.
I'll grab a jacket. I'm gonna grab more of the flowy shirts in the different colors. Bye, Andre. Andre.
says there's like little things. Yeah. I don't think it actually. I mean, even
Yeah, I'm gonna get more of those shirts.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah, Aldrich.
Hamburger and steak. Look at that. Look at the hamburger and steak.
Gotcha.
It's a fucking gamble.
Do it, no boss. Do it, no boss.
Is it, how much is it? 400?
Let's all do it and see.
Is it 400?
Zerk. Yo, this guy is...
I don't have 100.
I have.
I'll take it.
Sakura. We're in Japan.
What do you want?
Yeah, I wanna hear.
You want to hear?
Yeah, you wanna hear? He's broke off.
I think we are.
We're doing it together?
Let's see this. Look at this dude. How much? I don't know. I didn't know.